Hello, everyone. Welcome to our last week of distance learning. I know you're all really sad about that. It's week 10, so I am here inside the Africa distance learning folder, and you'll go down to week 10. I want to walk you through what we're going to do this week. Um, on Monday, you are going to have a chance to go over um, the answers to the quiz on Friday. If you did not do the quiz on Friday, or if you scored less than 10 out of 10, I'm asking you to take the quiz again. So the quiz will also be in this folder. You can go ahead and take it again. I gave you permission to take it up to 5 times. So that means that everyone should be able to get a 10 out of 10. Also, I need you to fill out this response form that Student Services made for you about how you are responding to Mr. George Floyd's murder. That's been on my mind a lot over this weekend, and I'm sure it has been on your mind too. So if you have not filled this out, I'm asking you to do so because the school wants to know how we can best support you during this very, very difficult time. Okay, going back to the week, the main activity this week is going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm giving you 2 days to do a one-pager. So inside this folder, there's some very important documents. I want you to watch the directions video. Then the assignment is here, Africa one-pager. I wanted to show you quickly right now an example. This is my example. We're going to be making a one-pager about 4 of the different regions that we've studied in Africa. This is my example, and you'll see I'll give you more clear directions about what to do in the video, this video. So please watch that. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 days to do that because it's kind of going to take you a little bit more time just because it's a little more creative and artistic. So you can have Tuesday and Wednesday to do that. Please upload it by Wednesday because I need it, because on Thursday we're going to look at each other's work and ooh and ah over each other's work, and so I'll be posting your one-pagers in the folder on Thursday and having a space for you to make comments about what you like about the one-pagers. So that's coming on Thursday. Right now the Thursday folder is empty. Why? Because the one-pagers aren't done yet. So hold off on that. If you want to, you could work ahead on Friday's work. It's a reflection about distance learning, how distance learning has been going for you. I have a note for you at the top. And then some questions about, how did our class go? What helped you be successful? What was hard about social studies? What do you miss about going to school? How are you feeling about the summer? And then comments for me thinking about social studies for next year. Okay, I've been missing you all terribly. It's been a difficult week, a difficult weekend, and I'm looking forward to getting to have one more last week with you. The week after this week will just be kind of some fun and games and saying goodbye. Okay, before I start getting too emotional, I'm gonna end my video. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see your one-pagers.